Hey there, aviation fans. Welcome back to Flight Deck Master. I'm your host, Guri Singh. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the unsung heroes of the airport, the Towbarless Tug. Ever wondered how these mighty machines move massive aircraft with such ease? Let's dive right in. Before our Towbarless Tug can fetch the aircraft's nose wheel, there's a checklist to tackle, ensuring the tug is suitable for the specific aircraft model. After all, you wouldn't use a sports car to tow a truck. A thorough inspection of both the tug and the aircraft's nose gear for any issues. The tug lines up precisely with the nose wheel, getting ready for the big lift. Do you want to hear a fun fact? Towbarless tugs gently lift the aircraft's nose wheel off the ground, almost like giving it a little piggyback ride. Now, once the Towbarless tug is perfectly aligned with the aircraft's nose wheel, it's time for the connection. The tug gently lifts the nose wheel off the ground, cradling it securely. This lift allows for better maneuverability and control over the aircraft during towing. Communication is crucial here, but rather than a dialogue between ground handler and pilot, it's a coordinated effort guided by standard procedures and signals. The ground crew ensures that all safety checks are completed and that the area is clear of any obstacles. They use hand signals and visual confirmations to coordinate with each other, making sure everything is set for a smooth operation. Guri's fun fact: by lifting the nose wheel, Towbarless tugs eliminate the need for separate tow bars, reducing equipment and speeding up the pushback process. With the aircraft securely connected, the tug begins to move. It carefully tows the aircraft away from the gate area, maintaining a safe speed of about 5 miles per hour, 8 kilometers per hour. This might seem slow, but when you're moving an aircraft that weighs hundreds of tons, caution is key. As the tug maneuvers, it follows a predetermined path, avoiding other aircraft, vehicles, and ground personnel. The operator relies on skill and experience to navigate the complex airport environment, ensuring that the aircraft reaches the designated drop point without any hiccups. Approaching the disconnect point, the tug begins to slow down. This spot is strategically chosen, often a safe distance from terminals and crowded areas, to minimize noise and emissions when the aircraft starts its engines. The tug gently lowers the nose wheel back onto the tarmac. The ground crew performs a quick walk-around inspection to ensure everything is in perfect order. They check that all connections are released and that the aircraft is ready to taxi on its own. Here is another fun fact. This process not only saves fuel, but also reduces engine wear and tear, making it both economically and environmentally beneficial. With the nose wheel back on solid ground and all checks completed, the aircraft is ready to take over. The pilots start the engines if they haven't already, and the aircraft begins to taxi to the runway. Meanwhile, the tug disengages and makes its way back to assist the next aircraft. It's a non-stop cycle that keeps airports running efficiently, especially during peak hours. Towbarless tugs are operated by specialized ground handling companies like Swissport, Menzies Aviation, or even the airlines themselves. These companies provide essential services that keep the airport's operations smooth and on schedule. These tugs are designed to handle a wide range of aircraft sizes, from smaller regional jets to the largest commercial airliners. Their versatility and efficiency make them invaluable assets on the tarmac. Ready for Guri's another fun fact. Some Towbarless tugs are electric powered, contributing to greener airport operations by reducing carbon emissions. So there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at how Towbarless tugs play a vital role in airport operations. From lifting the nose wheel to expertly navigating the tarmac, these machines and their operators ensure that flights get underway safely and efficiently. Next time you're at the airport, take a moment to appreciate the intricate choreography happening on the ground. It's a testament to human ingenuity and teamwork. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of aviation, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Flight Deck Master for more exciting content. Until next time, I'm Guru Singh, wishing you clear skies and safe travels.